Welcome to All Mode Voice, End User Training. This module will discuss how to park a call, and how to retrieve a parked call. This module will discuss the use of various keys on the telephone set. If you are unfamiliar with the use of hard keys or soft keys, please watch the phone and button layout video. The link is in the description. This lesson will also describe functions in the ConnectUC desktop and mobile applications. To learn more about these functions, please feel free to watch the ConnectUC modules. The links are in the description. If you have further questions about All Mode Voice, or are interested in the All Mode Voice product, please send an email to voice@allmode.com. Call Park is a feature that allows a user to place a call on a system-wide hold and enables the call to be picked up at the same phone, another phone, or through the ConnectUC desktop app, or mobile app. Call Park keys in the display of the desk set are programmed using the online portal. They can be programmed at the user level, or by an All Mode representative. When no calls are parked, park buttons will be lit with a solid green light. To park a call on the desk set while on an incoming or outgoing call, press a Call Park button next to the display of the phone. The caller is automatically placed on hold and will hear hold music. An active parked call will show a solid red light on the park button. The red light will be illuminated on all system phones with parked keys. This allows the call to be retrieved from any system device. When calls are parked, the park button will display the caller ID of the parked call. Call or page the intended user and inform them of the parked call. To retrieve a call that is parked, press the red button and the caller will be connected. Any user with parked keys has the ability to park and retrieve parked calls. If all parked keys are occupied, another call will not be allowed to park. If you are interested in finding out more about All Mode Communications, and the products and services we offer, please visit our website, allmode.com, or feel free to call us at 877-ALL-MODE. That's 877-255-6633. Call Park can also be utilized from ConnectUC by using the desktop app, or the mobile app. To place a call on Park using the ConnectUC desktop app, from the active call screen, select Park. The choices are Auto Park, which will place a call on any open park slot, or select a specific numbered park slot. To pick up a parked call on the desktop app, select Parking in the avatar menu. Notice that there is a red bubble indicating a parked call. To retrieve the call, choose the pickup icon in the right corner of the display. The call is live on the ConnectUC desktop app. If you enjoy our YouTube videos, click the like button, and hit the subscribe button in order to view our latest training videos. Press the notification bell to be notified of new videos, and leave a comment if you find this content helpful, or have other suggestions for training videos. To place a call on Park using the mobile app, while on an active call, select the Park icon. Select the parking slot, Auto, Park 1, or Park 2, by pressing the blue Park icon. A screen appears that displays the park slot information. A parked call will reveal a red bubble in the lower right corner above the menu labeled More. To retrieve a parked call, press the icon labeled More, then select the Park option. Select the blue pickup icon to connect to the call. The previously parked call is now reconnected on the mobile app. This concludes this module of All Mode Voice, End User Training. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.